Welcome to Learn Tamil with Jackson, the part of South Indian language, the fastest and easiest way to learn Tamil. So today in this video, we are going to look for some basic sentences that comes with a word called don't. Let's begin with the first one. Don't do that. அது செய்யாத. Don't go there. அங்க போகாத. Don't drink too much. அதிகமா குடிக்காத. Don't drive too fast. வேகமா ஓட்டாத. So you might have noticed in these sentences it all ends with a sound called the. அது செய்யாத, அங்க போகாத, அதிகமா குடிக்காத, வேகமா ஓட்டாத. So these are sentences that ends with a sound called the. Let's look for some examples that doesn't ends with a sound called the. I don't want. எனக்கு தேவையில்லை. I don't like it. எனக்கு பிடிக்காது. So in these sentences, it doesn't ends with a sound called the. So according to this, if don't comes at the beginning of the sentence, it all ends with a sound called the. Don't do that. அதை செய்யாத. Don't go there. அங்க போகாத. Don't drink too much. அதிகமா குடிக்காத. Don't drive too fast. வேகமா ஓட்டாத. I don't want. எனக்கு தேவையில்லை. I don't like it. எனக்கு பிடிக்காது. Good job. So now we have learned the basic sentences that comes with a word called don't. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until then, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.